Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be having a first-hand look at the Comfier mini massage gun. It is a massager that is handy and miniature in size for easy portability and storage. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one set of user guide. To guide users on the product operation, a range of interchangeable massage heads are included like the flat head, U-shaped head, spheroidal head, small round head, each with their own unique massaging capabilities. One USB charging cable is also included to recharge the device, along with one Comfier mini massage gun, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Comfier massage gun has a stylish and modern look to it. The parts and the massager itself is in black finish which looks good. Upon holding it hands-on, it has a solid metal body which feels really sturdy and lightweight. Even though it's made of durable metal, it still feels lightweight, weighing at only 1.2 pound when using it. At the base of the massager, there is a power button along with a USB-C port, which can be used for recharging the device. It features USB charging functions and has a decently sized 2000 mAh battery which takes around 80 minutes to fully recharge when flat. Pretty quick, it can be used up to 4 to 5 hours on a full charge. Great! Now, to power on, simply press and hold the power key to get it started. The LED indicating light will shine up, showing it's turned on. Simply press the power key again to get it to different levels on massage speeds. Level 1 is only at 1800 RPM, while it gradually climbs up in speed modes when the button is pressed. It can go up to a maximum speed of 3600 RPM. Pretty decent and powerful considering its compact size and build. The massage heads are interchangeable. Just insert the massage head of choice and power it up. The first is the spheroidal head, which is good for massaging the neck, spine or thigh of the user. Feels generally effective to relieve pain and soreness on the neck. Pluck it out of the slot to interchange. Insert another massage head of choice. The next is the U-shaped head, which can be used to massage the cervical vertebra when it's aching. Another massage head is the flat head. This head can be generally used across all muscles in your body. It massages the part evenly and gently and it is soothing when in use. Next up, we have the small round head. This is good for spine, like what I did here. It pinpoints the part where there is muscle aches and helps relieve it. Great option of massage heads for you to choose from. Overall, I find the Comfier mini massage gun a good option for most age groups. Be it elderly, office worker or if you are an athletic teen or adult, you can use it to relieve muscle aches and pain in your body. It is easily portable with its miniature size, and can be used anytime, anywhere with a built-in battery. Find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.